Tung 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 tung
Trallallero, trallallà, porco Dio e porco Allah. Ero con il mio fottuto figlio merdardo a giocare a Fortnite. Quando a un punto arriva mia mamma.
So nakita nyo naman mga kaibigan, back here again with another gameplay. At ngayon ay maglalaro tayo ng
tung 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 tung.
ang ginagawa ko sa buhay. Maglalaro tayo ng mga trending ngayon. Tinatawag nilang brain rot. Specifically ito, kita nyo naman sa ating screen. So hindi ko lang alam kung by the time may upload ko to, trending pa rin to. Pero during the time of this recording, sobrang trending netong brain rot memes na to. No? So without further ado, tara, try nating laruin. A game by Aridik. Arina, dik pa. Okay. Tara. Hold F to open your eyes. Open your eyes. Dilim? Ano gagawin? Oh my goodness. It's already 3 a.m. Oh no! It's time for suhoor. What the heck is suhoor? But I slept at 1. I'm still very sleepy and my eyes are so tired. I'll go back to sleep. Oy! Tulog. 2 hours pa lang tulog ko, Lods. Please space to turn off the alarm. Press space. Alright! Ayan. Sakto. Napindot ko yung F. Tulog. Oy! Sino yan? Who's knocking on the door? But there's no one in the house. Uy! Dumilim. Opo. Ay nako, walang peephole. Ay! Don't. What am I supposed to do? Ay! Okay. Ah! Oh! Where am I? What is this place? Backrooms ata to ah. Ay, may tawag dito yung fear of large spaces. Chung sahur, are you here? Uy, lawak. Ano to? What is that? Collect 6 suhoor foods to get out of this place. Ano yung suhoor? Editor, pakilagay nga kung ano yung suhoor. Wala akong idea kung ano yun.
I got you, homie.
Sahur.
Okay, hanap lang. Hanap. Yan, yung ilaw oh.
Hello there.
What's this? Hoy!
Huh?
Chung sahur! Ano? Takbo! Uy, may harang! Paano to? Yamera! Ay! Yan! Ano yan? Ay! Wala na akong stamina! Ay! No-restart? Paano yun? Hirap ah. Pero alam ko na, dapat tinitipid yung stamina. Stamina! Yun! So, dito siya magpapakita, diba? So, pwesto tayo dito. Medyo malayo. Okay. Prepare to run! Takbo! Ayan o. Okay. So far, so good. Takbo! Pwede ba naman dito? Hindi! Putik, ang bilis niya! Paano yan? Ang bilis niya! Ang bilis! Wala na akong stamina! Pinagpapawisan na ako! Ulit na naman! Tumayo na yung buhok Easy lang. We're back here again! Four. Uy, itak! Hoy! Ge! Ano? Ano? No! 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 Alam mo kasi, mga bida, sa una, natatalo talaga yan. Speedrun, speedrun. Uy, wala dito yung ano. Ayun. Oh! Paano gamitin to? Kasa ba si Jen?
Bye, have a great time.
Go, 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 go. Ah, yung ano, ito, sisirain ko tong kahoy. I see. Ano? Tong. What? Bakit ang bagal?
Huh?
Wait. Okay. Kainan na, and then what? Sorry, mas. Kainan na! Press space to see. Oh! Tung! Ay, what dream was that just now? Tung sahur! What time is it? I need to have suhoor. 3:30 pa lang! I need to turn on the lights first. Yon, maliwanag na! It's still 3 o'clock. 3:30 na kaya? Thankfully, I didn't wake up late for suhoor. I want to cook some noodles first. Copyright! Mute natin to kasi baka makopyright. This game was made in 5 days. If you like this game, you can support me at https. Di ko nabasa agad. Tung sahur!
Tung sahur. Anomali menggali kanya hanya keluar pada sahur. Konon katanya kalau ada orang yang dipanggil sahur 3 kali dan tidak nyaut, maka makhluk ini.
Alright, so this is a very short gameplay. Tung. Grabe, pinagpawisan pala ako. Anyways, that was Tung's Nightmare. Kung nagustuhan nyo tong video na to, like, comment, and subscribe. And that's all for now. Alias Teddy out. Paalam. Adios.